In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy formulas down a column automatically using Arrayformula in Google Sheets. If you've ever worked in Google Sheets and found yourself dragging a formula down row after row, this feature can save you a lot of time. Arrayformula lets you apply one formula to an entire column at once, so instead of copying the same calculation manually, Google Sheets handles it for you automatically. This is especially useful when you are adding new rows of data over time and want your results to update without any extra effort. To get started, open Google Sheets and go to the sheet where you want to perform your calculations. You'll want to have some simple numeric data already entered, or you can type in a few sample values to follow along. In this example, we're working with values in columns B and C, and we want the result to appear in another column. If your goal is to add the numbers from column B and column C for every row, click into the first result cell where you want the answers to begin, usually in row 2 if row 1 contains headers. Then type this formula exactly as shown, equals Arrayformula. Open parenthesis. B2:B plus C2:C, and then close parenthesis. Once you press enter, Google Sheets will automatically calculate the sum for each row in those two columns, all the way down the sheet. What makes this so helpful is that you only enter the formula once. As you continue adding more numbers into columns B and C, the formula will keep working for those new rows as well. That means no dragging, no copying, and much less chance of making mistakes. If instead you want to multiply the values in column B by the values in column C, the process is almost identical. Click into the first cell where you want the multiplication results to appear, and enter this formula. Equals Arrayformula. Open parenthesis. B2:B. Asterisk, C2:C, close parenthesis. Then press enter. Google Sheets will instantly multiply the values in each matching row and fill the results down the column automatically. One important tip is to make sure the column where you place the formula is empty below that first cell. Since Arrayformula returns multiple results, anything blocking the output can cause an error. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to use Arrayformula in Google Sheets to automatically copy formulas down a column for both addition and multiplication. Thanks for watching.